Well, when I was a schoolboy coming home from school, thought I saw bull raining around the hills and mounts. Steady hoop, steady hollering around the merry street. A ring ting ting, a ting ting ting, through the way, a bow wow wow, a moo moo moo, and a heap of people that I do know. Through the way we'd run, play ball, or through the way we'd run. When I was a schoolboy coming home from school, I thought I saw bull raining around the hills and mountains. Steady hoop, steady hollering around the merry street. Ring ting ting, a ting ting ting, through the way, a bow wow wow, and a moo moo moo, and a heap of people that I do know. Oh, through the way we'd run, play ball, oh, through the way we'd run. Well, y'all, how's everybody today? Well, this evening, almost night where I am, here in Mississippi. I thought I'd pull out my camera and make a little content on my no-till garden. Right now I'm planting tomato plants in here. It looks pretty bright from my side, from where I'm looking from, so I guess y'all can see all this rich soil that's under this mulch, under all these leaves and everything. See that rich soil? Soil, to let y'all know, soil is not necessarily this rich here in Mississippi, where I am. Before, when I would dig this up or till it up, the soil wasn't this dark. But you can see that, if you can see that, you can see how dark it is. But anyway, this looked like it's gonna work real good. This no-till, no-dig garden that I'm working on. And so, but anyway, I'm going to finish planting this one here, and I think I'm going to just go in for the night. We have mosquitoes here in Mississippi too, y'all, around the world. We have mosquitoes here in America. And so, I'm blowing one off right now. But anyway, I want y'all to tune in, subscribe, and I'm going to work on this some more tomorrow when the sun comes up. And I'm going to make some more content tomorrow on this no-till, no-dig garden. Here's some cotton meal seed I got here too. I've heard a lot about cotton meal seed, so it's organic. It's supposed to be an organic fertilizer. But y'all subscribe. Go ahead and subscribe and tune in to my YouTube channel that I'm getting going here. Like I've said before, I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm doing it, whatever it is. Anyway, y'all tune in for my next video. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you'll know when I'm uploading. Anyway, y'all tune in. Like I said, I'm gonna work on it some more tomorrow. Outro. When I was a schoolboy coming home from school, I thought I saw bull raining around the hills and mounts. Steady hoop, steady hollering around the merry street. A ring ting ting, a ting ting ting, through the way, a bow wow wow, a moo moo moo, and a heap of people that I do know. Oh, through the way we'd run, play ball, oh, through the way we'd run. When I was a schoolboy coming home from school, I thought I saw bull raining around the hills and mountains. Y'all see my tools, don't you? Steady hoop, steady hollering around the merry street. A ring ting ting, a ting ting ting, through the way, a bow wow wow, a moo moo moo, and a heap of people that I do know. Through the way we'd run, play ball, or through the way we'd run. Y'all, thank y'all for watching. Tune in for my next video. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and get ready for some more content. Stay with me and see how this works out. Maybe you would want to do one. No till, no dig garden.